Once you logged into your Tax 1099 account, you can find the extension forms on the dashboard, displayed on the top right, or you can click Forms from the left blue menu bar. To create your extension, this page displays all Tax 1099 forms. Here, use the search bar to locate them quickly, or you can scroll to the bottom to find the extension forms. To file your extensions for multiple filers, click on Form that you want to file. You'll be redirected to the Easy Extension Forms page where you can proceed with filing your extension. Here, click on Forms again to file your extensions in bulk, and then select the form type and choose this option to file the forms in bulk. Now, click here to download the template. Yes, your template will be downloaded. Open the downloaded template and enter all required details. Here, the mandatory fields are highlighted in red. You can also find detailed instructions in the sheet, too. At the bottom, click on that to read them. After creating your sheet, save that to upload the file. Go back to the Forms page and click here to upload your completed file or to import your businesses into Easy Extension. Click on Proceed. You'll see a green pop-up in the top right confirming that your file has been uploaded. You'll be redirected to the Review Uploaded page, where you can review the filer and form details. You'll also see the total uploaded files along with the count for without errors and with errors. Click on With Errors to view and fix them. Click Quick Fix to check for errors. You'll see the error list, make the required changes, then click Save. Once all errors are cleared, click Submit button here to create the forms. Note, the Submit button is enabled only after all errors are resolved. You'll be redirected to the Unsubmitted Forms page where you can view all imported files, review them, and then click on Submit. Confirm your submission to finalize your forms to the IRS. Now choose the payment method, whether you like to pay with prepaid balance or card. If you have prepaid balance, or if you want to add, you can click on this Add Prepaid Balance and add funds and proceed with your payment. Or you can simply pay using the card option. Click here to add new card. Once added, saved card will shown like this. Select, then here, enter your billing address and payer's email and click on Pay. You would be displayed Payment Successful screen containing payment ID and reference number of your filings. You can take and save a screenshot for future reference. Now, to check the submission status of your filings, click on the dashboard option and select the fields. Here under the status column, you can see the status of your filings. If you see submission status as submitted, it means the form has sent to the IRS and awaiting response. Rejected means not accepted by the IRS. Fix the issue and resubmit. And if accepted is shown, it means the form are successfully accepted by the IRS.